I was surprised, yeah.
I was too.
Definitely concerned for the immunocompromised people.
On Wednesday, the province announced that on top of mask mandates ending on the 15th, contact tracing and the restriction to stay home while COVID positive are also ending, and that has some Winnipeggers on edge.
I think that you should be required to isolate at this point. I don't think we're far enough away from the pandemic to make it voluntary.
It's kind of putting other people's safety at jeopardy, especially as she said, the immunocompromised, because for them it's there's still so much risk out there.
We have to be cautious moving forward. We can't go too quickly or we'll just be back where we started.
The plan for the 15th was originally only to have masks become a recommendation but not be mandatory. That date, 3 days past the 2-year anniversary of the province's first confirmed case of COVID-19, and yet still some Winnipeggers saying even masks are leaving too soon.
I think we should keep our masks on.
Yeah, I think it should continue on farther than the 15th.
It's just too early to kind of say that we shouldn't be wearing masks or kind of getting rid of all mandates.
I think I would follow the directions of most of the doctors who are saying it's too soon.
Even though these public health orders are expiring, some businesses are keeping the rules. True North Sports and Entertainment are keeping proof of immunization requirements for Manitoba Moose and Winnipeg Jets games until April 30th, with masks strongly recommended.
It's not over. It isn't going away just because we wish it would. We all wish it would.
Other venues like the West End Cultural Centre are keeping both protections intact in what they're calling house rules.
It's not just a board decision, it's a collective decision that's been made by our community that includes our board, our staff, our volunteers, and includes our artists too. That is the way that we get back to whatever the new normal is going to look like, a safe new normal, is making sure that transmission is as low as possible. And that means public health mitigations.
Executive Director Jason Hooper says he's received mostly positive feedback since announcing the decision on social media. In Winnipeg, Mike Albanese, City News.